going to be installing the C8 shock towers for the 21 to 26. This is a 25 Z06. And what they've done is just extended these bolts a little bit, so we've updated our design for these cars. So what we'll do is we'll install it and show you how to put it in. The first thing you're going to need to do is pop off this little push-in retainer here. And you're going to want to disconnect this by pulling the red tab and then pushing this button. Just pop open. Then you're going to get your shock tower. It's going to come with a blue protective liner on it. You're going to remove this. And you got a cap. Now the trick to this one is you got to kind of put everything in at once. So what you're going to do is you put your cap in like this. This is going to go for the notch for the wire. And now it's got a little notch there so you can freely move this. I'm going to stick that down in there. We got 3 little bolts. This is rubbing alcohol. What you're going to want to do is clean this front edge right here so that will stick on your edge molding. So you're going to stick that like this. So your kit is going to come to you with a small little tube of silicone. And what you're going to do is kind of put a little bit inside here. All right, so now we're going to do the driver's side. Same step, just kind of the same way. back in like that. Right back in your slot.